If you want your Gamma site to look more polished and branded, adding a favicon is one of the quickest upgrades you can make. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add a favicon to a Gamma site in just a few simple steps. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab, and it can make your site look much more professional and easier to recognize. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button, and make sure to subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your published Gamma site in your browser. This is important because the favicon setting is usually adjusted from the live or published version of your site, not from a random draft page. Once your site is open, look to the top right corner of the page. There you should see the three-dot menu. Click that menu to open the available site options. From the drop-down list, click Site Settings. This is where Gamma keeps the main customization controls for your site, including branding options and the favicon area. Now, inside Site Settings, look for the section that shows the site name and favicon. Depending on your layout, this may be listed together in one branding area or nearby in the site configuration panel. Once you find it, you'll see an option to upload your favicon image. Click the Upload button and choose the image file you want to use. For best results, use a simple square image that is easy to recognize, since favicon icons are very small when they appear in the browser tab. After the image uploads, take a quick look to make sure it's the correct file and that it displays properly. Then, save your changes. This step is important because Gamma won't apply the favicon until the settings are saved. After saving, Gamma may ask you to republish the site again in order to push the new changes live. If that happens, just click Publish or the equivalent button to republish your site. Once that's done, refresh your browser tab and check the top of the page. You should now see your new favicon showing up as the small icon next to the site title in the tab. That's it. Your Gamma site now has a custom favicon and looks a lot more branded and professional. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on tools like Gamma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.